Hey guys, Brian Mancuso, Getac. We're at our DUI checkpoint with our partners, Monty from MTech, Tyler from Fotokite. I've been working closely with Tyler. Tyler, tell us a little bit about the Fotokite system.
Yeah, so what we have is an actively tethered drone. So you have the tether right there. Power is going up that tether to the kite. Data is coming down the tether. Right now we have it plugged into a generator. It's giving out around 1,200 watts. The true pull is only 600, 650 from our kite. With it being actively tethered, as long as it's plugged in, you can have it up for days. We've had it up for 37 days straight before. So right now we're using a Getac tablet. You want to go into that, what kind of tablet it is?
Yeah, so this is the Zx10. It's a 10-inch Android. We also, I think the other day we used the Zx80, which was an 8-inch. How do you like the screen size and from the ones that you've used so far?
Yeah, so this is a really good screen size. Again, our user interface, it's just app-based. So you can download them on any Getac tablets, anything to Android, Windows. You can get the app on there and then you'll have that full interface on it.
So it tells you, it automatically comes down if it gets too windy, and right here, if you can zoom in there, it can kind of show you where, it shows you what height it is, right? Right now?
So that's how high it goes. It goes up to 150 feet. That's by design, so you don't need a Part 107 to fly it. That comes with it being actively tethered and all of that good stuff.
And right now we're streaming to command post as well as the Getac command post vehicle. You can flip back and forth between thermal and high resolution. Oh, okay. Yep. And you also, I think you told me you had several different cameras.
Yeah, we have 11 different gradients there for any thermal that you wanted to use.
That's awesome. And I'm understanding your cameras can be more pinpoint if you're trying to get more higher resolution. There's different.
Yeah, so we have two different options. This is our 320p thermal camera. It's our Sigma, is what we call it. We also just came out with a Sigma Plus. It's a 640p thermal. So that would just mean that this thermal is a little more clear. Besides that, this camera is going to be the exact same. This color camera, it zooms up to 16 times. Right now we have it at 2.3 just so we get a good look at the DUI checkpoint.
So yeah, they're down the street as they're pulling people that have been potentially impaired. They're bringing them in here, in which they then begin to do a DUI sobriety test, or they have a drug dog. We have multiple agencies from the Highway Patrol, Oklahoma County, Mustang, PD, Union City, a few other agencies around that are assisting. But really appreciate partnering with Fotokite, how they use the Getac equipment. And we got lots of good ways to help them, you guys to finance with it. Using the Getac's partners, MTech sells both the Fotokite and Getac. So we've got a lot of different programs out there to help you guys get equipment like this for agencies. But it works for both fire, police.
Yeah, fire, police, DOT, military, DOD.
And I believe we have some same, customers, right? Like Dallas PD, right? Dallas, right? So Wichita, Wichita
PD.
Yep, Wichita PD, big Getac customers. So yeah, really impressed with this. The Getac, we see there's some wind. Let's see if it lowers itself down. Now it's moving back and forth. It's really kind of windy today. Good. It's actually good wind.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. So real impressive. But I love how it auto corrects itself. So anything else that you can add, or you think?
No, I think that about covers it. Little tiny things like our backtrack features and things like that, where you can just see what you were watching previously. We have it, like you said, live stream. We also have remote control, so anyone back at the station could be flying it right now if they wanted.
Yeah, if somebody jumped out of the car, ran. That's why we can switch to thermo for doing an accident scene. They can see if somebody hides in the the trees and stuff. Out here in the plains, we have a lot of brushy areas or tree areas that people can hide. So I do love the ability of it to switch between thermal or high resolution. So yeah, really appreciate it. Thank you, Tyler and Monty, for partnering with Getac and the different agencies today. Thank you, sir.